If you're wondering how you can use Samsung Dex on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And the control center, just look for the option of Dex. If you cannot find Dex over here, just tap on the edit button. Now under the available button section, just look for the option of Dex. After you find it, just tap on it to add it to the control center. Then tap on done. And after you add the option of Dex to the control center, just tap on it to turn on Dex mode. And as you can see, we have successfully opened Dex mode on our tablet. Now you might have noticed that Dex mode is looking a bit different. Normally when you enable Dex mode, the UI of the tablet will change and it will look similar to a Windows PC. But after the OneUi 8 update, Samsung has removed the classic look, which was the Windows look. And now when you enable Dex mode, it will look more like a tablet, but the apps will open in a window. Now from here you can drag the windows and you can resize them. You can open multiple apps at the same time, just like that. And also to get the complete desktop experience, you can connect an external mouse and a keyboard to get the full desktop experience. Now from here you can close windows and you can open them later like that. You can open a window in full screen mode. And also you can drag a window and you can set it to the side, just like that. Now as you can see, this is how you can use Dex mode on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.